Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on the Shades of Green water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Sticky Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Bring Me the Teal, as well as Green Screen and So Toxic, which I'll be using as my base color. Once I've got my base color applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, I'm going to go ahead and stretch out the polish. Then I'm going to draw in some chevrons, followed by some wiggles. Once I'm satisfied with the design, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails. For this cup, I'm going to be dipping my thumb and my pinky, and then in the next cup, I'll be dipping my other 3 nails. After the dip, go ahead and clean any excess polish off of the surface. Then I'm going to carefully pull my fingers out, remove the protection, and move on to the next cup. Once I've marbled all my nails, I'm going to go in with a Q-tip for any larger areas that were outside the protection, as well as underneath my nails. Then I'm going to take my usual small brush with acetone to clean up closer around the cuticle. Once cleanup is complete, I decided to add a layer of scattered Holo taco. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. Kind of too bad that I didn't have this inspiration a couple weeks ago, as it would have been great for St. Patrick's Day, but then again, you really don't need an excuse to wear colors this beautiful. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate that holo that I added. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.